Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with cash on Doordash, guys. Actually really easy and simple. Usually when you're checking out, you see that option to pay with cash. You just select that, pay cash and delivery, and boom guys, you can pay cash and delivery when your order arrives. When you're checking out, you're going to see that option right there and how much tip you want to add for the driver. But let me explain to you how the process works. Basically, DoorDash, well, dispatches a driver to your location, and then it's noted that the payment is cash delivery, okay? And the delivery guy or the dasher goes to the store, picks up the delivery, and delivers to the customer and collects the cash, okay? Now, this cash is usually deducted from the dasher's pay, so they don't have to go and send the cash anywhere. It's just part of their pay, it's just deducted. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So, if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.